Okay. Homemade barbecue sauce because it's got an 8-year-old who don't eat anything without barbecue sauce, and I don't have any. So I'll do this. Bacon grease. It's my number one method. For a little bit of everything, probably like a little drips. This one's kind of, it's not so hard because it's been heated. Okay, freestyle that. It's almost done. Go back. I'm not going to make it too strong or too grown upish. So you won't eat it. It's got to be sweet. It's got to taste like McDonald's. A little bit more ketchup. This one might gonna add a little pepper. You shouldn't notice that. Add a little bit of salt, not too much. That boy has a palate. He's not going to eat it. If it's not sweet enough, or if it's not tasting like yummy, tasty McDonald's sauce. So that's about right, the consistency of that McDonald's sauce. Okay, Romero. Lunch is served. Romero! I made it already.
Okay. Thanks, Tom.
There you go. Taste it. Let me see how it tastes before you give it a try. Give it a whack with your barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.